Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM tip of the day. So today I want to show you guys is how to switch back and forth between versions of SolidCAM that you have installed on your computer. So pretty simple, just go up to the gear up on top, and right next to the gear you'll see a little drop down. Click on the add-ins button and scroll down and you'll see all the different versions that are running or that are installed on your computer. So let's say I want to move from 17 and I want to move over to 18. So easy enough, just uncheck what you have right here. Hit OK, and then what we'll do is we'll just close out of our SolidWorks. Now, go ahead and reopen your SolidWorks. And now that your SolidWorks is open, there'll actually be no SolidCAM loaded right now because we didn't select anything. So now what you want to do is go back to your add-ins, and now you can check your SolidCAM 18 and hit OK. And then give it a second and it will load up for you. And now we have our SolidCAM 18 activated. So one thing just to remember is when you want to move from version to version, uncheck the version first that you don't want to use, close your SolidWorks, and then reopen your SolidWorks and check the version that you want to use, and then you're all set to go. So just want to show you guys that for your tip of the day, and hope you guys have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you guys next week. Thanks, guys.